Laszlo. Lazarus. Laszlo, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, big guy. Come here. Hi, buddy. Can you sit? Can you sit? Come here.
Sit.
Come here. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Lazarus. Laszlo. Come here. Come here, big guy. Come here. We got a bunch of people who want to see you. Come here, you. Can you sit there? Are you a good boy? Yes? Let me see your face. I want to see your face. There he is. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
Sit. Sit.
Can you sit? Sit?
Sit down.
He says no. Laszlo, look. What? What do you hear? You just like getting pets?